Hey everybody, this is Vince, the Big Old Geek. Today I wanted to do a quick review on this Walking Dead Season 6 Blu-ray set I just received. This was actually a birthday gift from my co-workers. They all pitched in and hooked me up with this. Cool. Got awesome co-workers. Let me see, this is the Truck Walker figure that they got this in. And this is the box it comes in, of course. Got that. All the info on the back there. Yeah, this is the collector's edition Truck Walker case. Alright, cool. Let's see what this Joker looks like out of the box. Okay, and there it is. Tight. Season 6 Truck Walker case. Side of it. I mean, nothing too thrilling about the back there, but that's all right. And there's where the DVDs slide in on the side there. And this Joker, man, this Joker looks sick. Oh man, look at all the guts. Nice detailing. Oh man, this is awesome. Oh man, that's sick. Alright, let's take a look at the disc there. Yes, right there, complete 6th season, Walking Dead on Blu-ray and digital HD. 2. How many discs in here? Yeah, 5 disc set. Alright, cool. Got Carl and Rick. Sean and Daryl. Glenn. R.I.P. Glenn. Abraham and Carol. No, wait a minute. Morgan and Carol. Yeah, that is Abraham and Rosita. Man, I hope they don't kill her. She's hot. Alright. Okay, I just saw this. Take these Jokers out. Okay, behind the CD holder. Nice image of some cool walkers. Awesome. Oh, that's nice. Alright, black and white image. Cool. Just some standard disc info, title info there. Alright, there's the back. Alright, this looks like a decent set. Sweet! Yeah, and this set is even with the discs, even with the discs inside of it, this set is less than 2 pounds actually, and it's only 8 inches tall, and it's only 6 inches wide, and the depth is only 5.5 inches wide there. So yeah, displaying this anywhere should be easy. Alright, cool. Alright, I'm satisfied with this. This is another sweet set. Alright, cool. Alright, thank you for watching, everybody.